This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prime a Ford F250 diesel. First, make sure your fuel tank contains at least 1/4 of a tank of diesel fuel. This prevents air from entering the system. Next, locate the fuel filter housing, usually on the engine. If you are replacing the filter, remove the old one. Crucially, fill the new fuel filter completely with clean diesel fuel before installing it. This is a vital step to minimize air in the fuel lines. Once your new, pre-filled fuel filter is securely installed, double-check that the drain valve on the housing is completely closed. Now, turn your ignition key to the on position for about 30 seconds. You should hear the fuel pump operating, which helps push fuel through the system. It is important not to start the engine during this step. Just let the pump run to build pressure and move fuel. After the initial 30-second on cycle, turn the key to the off position for a few seconds. Then, repeat this on and off key cycling process at least 3 to 5 more times. Each cycle helps the fuel pump push more fuel and purge air. After these cycles, attempt to start the engine. Crank it for no more than 15 seconds at a time. If it does not start, wait a minute and try again. If your F250 diesel does not start after several attempts, do not panic. Repeat the key cycling process a few more times to ensure all air is purged. Also, carefully check for any visible fuel leaks around the filter housing, as this could introduce air. Always confirm your fuel tank has sufficient diesel. If problems persist after multiple attempts, it might be best to seek professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.